Okay, so step number 2 is gonna be to register your Amazon account. And there are going to be 2 options. Option number 1 is a personal account. Option number 2 is a business account. Option number 1 is free, but it's gonna charge you 99 cents for every item that sells. Option number 2 is $39.99 a month for a business account with unlimited listings and no extra fee on top of the normal fees. If you sell over 40 items, it obviously makes sense to get the business account, but you should want to jump into the business account as soon as you're ready. You can get your feet wet in the personal account, which I will link both down below, and we're going to jump over to my computer screen and I'm going to show you the sign up screens and the differences between them. But basically that is the main only difference, is that one is going to charge you for every item you sell and one is going to give you unlimited listings. So let's go over to my screen, I'll check out the sign up screen, and that's gonna be step number 2 for you to get started on Amazon. Okay, so this is the main Amazon sign up page to become a seller, and I will of course link this down below. And here's the option to start selling, $39.99 a month plus additional selling fees. They have a little categories, pricing, how it works. You can scroll down and it actually has the option to choose sell as an individual. This is plan on selling fewer than 40 items a month, no subscription fee, and then it's 99 cent plus referral and variable closing fees. Professional is plan on selling more than 40 items a month, $40 a month, referral fees and variable closing fees. Basically, referral fees and variable fees are described down here. So referral fees are basically the final value fee. Items in several categories have a per item minimum. Sellers pay the greater of the referral fee or the per item minimum. And then variable closing for each media item that is sold. Individual and professional sellers also pay a variable closing fee. That's on media, so there's another fee for media on top of that, and that is basically how it works. There's also shipping credits for professional and individuals, and then finally there's some category restrictions on individuals, which you can click on. There's learn more about product categories, which is over here. And under the product categories, we have a list, and some of them say available to professional sellers only, like automotive and power sports, parts, tools, equipments. And so this has a whole entire list which you can click on and read through. Now, these are not 100% exactly right. Some of them have different variables and options, but for the most part, these categories are correct. And so Amazon gives that to you right there. I will link this down below. That is really your only difference in your $40 a month versus your not. Again, you can get it wet and then get your feet wet and then upgrade at any time. Now, I know it used to be that you had to start as a professional and downgrade. I think this option lets you sign up without actually paying the $40 right away. If it won't, you may have to pay the $40 and then downgrade, but give it a shot and let me know. It won't let me do it because I already have an account and I already have a professional. So there is your sign up, and I'll link it below.